Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own rosemary oil at home for healthy hair growth and scalp care. This is an easy DIY recipe you can follow step by step, so stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Rita. So let's get started. Here are the fresh rosemary leaves I'll be using. But first, I'm going to be washing them thoroughly to remove any dirt and allow them to dry completely. Now after washing them, I'm going to spread them out for it to air dry, pat dry, and whichever way you want it, but I'll allow this to air dry and I set it aside before I use them. So on a very low heat, just as you're seeing in the video, you're going to place your pan or a pot, anyone, and I added half cup of sunflower oil, and then I went in with my quarter cup of coconut oil. These two oils are amazing as a base. Sunflower is light and is nourishing, while the coconut is deeply conditions the hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my dry rosemary leaves inside. When I mean dry, like there's no water in it, like not the dry one they sell in the supermarket for you to use to cook, but fresh and dry that I dry it or sun dry it. So I added it in the pot and I stir occasionally and allow it to simmer gently for about 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. The key here is not to overheat, just a light infusion to release the rosemary's goodness. So after simmering, set it aside to cool. You can already see the oil changing colors, so that's how you know your rosemary has infused. So once cool, I saved it into a clean bowl. So now let's boost this oil. To make it even more powerful, I added 2 tablespoons of castor oil for thickness and 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, which you'll be seeing later, which is optional but amazing for shine. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil if you like. They are all optional, okay? I just love the smell of this lavender, that's why I'm using it. So I mix all together and then I transferred this content into a jar. So be sure to store your rosemary in a cool, dry place. I recommend using it about 3 times a week consistently for the best results. I wouldn't say every day, because I know we might forget easily to apply this every day, but 3 times a week you'll be able to mark I'm doing this maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So that's why I recommend it for that day, for those days, for 3 times a day, rather a week rather, sorry. So I transfer this in the jar and store it in a cool, dry place. Please store it in a cool, dry place. That's it. Your rosemary oil is ready. Try this out and let me know in the comments how it works for your hair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with somebody who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.